All right, hello, folks. So, thank you so very much for having done this entire survey. How long did it take you? I'm actually very curious. It took us a long time to put it together. But what I want to do right now is talk about the thing that you really want to know about, which is how is it? Why is it that we do this backwards, right? Like, why is long division a thing that where you start in the middle and then you do this and then you get this? Ordinarily, we would just write this if I were like multiplying it, like this times this equals whatever. Or if I'm adding, right, I have like 2 plus 2 equals 4. I go from the left to the right. So what the heck is going on here that we go we go from the right to the left and then for some reason going up? Okay, I hope the clues were helpful to you, but let's find out. So one of the clues for this was that I gave you, what did I do even? I gave you, I gave you this, right? Where I said, okay, like here are some 21 divided by 3 equals 7. And I put these special colors in. My purpose in putting these special colors in was to make it so you would see that, oh, like purple is a thing that you get when you add together or you multiply together. You combine together the 7 and the 3, the red and the blue. That was the intention there. Well, we'll see how actually well that worked. And then, oh, that's ugly, just a second. And then I gave this hint that you could just rewrite this entire thing as a multiplication equation going from left to right, the normal way. And then I gave, there, wait. We'll just do this ugly like, we'll do it like this. Okay, great. Where we have, okay, there's 3 over here. Let me actually do that with the red-ish color. And there is 7 up here, and then together those make 21. And look, what is that on the back of there? It's some sort of interesting grid system. There's 1, 2, 3 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over here. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 right there. Oh, how intriguing. I hope that was to you. And you might even recognize the similarity maybe between this rectangle and this bendy thing here. I think there's no official name for the long division sign. Here is what I was going for with all of that. That when you do division, say 8 divided by 2, there we go. What you're really doing is imagining that you have a rectangle that has, I guess here's where I should need to write this kind of lightly underneath here, where this is 1, 2 tall, I guess, and then somehow there are 8 boxes on the inside of here. What you're trying to figure out is how 2, 3, 4 is how many spaces do you need in the top in order to actually make this rectangle. In this case, it is 4. What I am saying with all of this is that all long division is, the entire long division symbol, all that it is a lazy person's way of writing a rectangle. And all the tricks that we learn for doing long division, all of that is a really kind of clever way of thinking, well, like how many boxes do I need to draw here in order, let me say that backwards. Given that I know that this is already 1, 2, how many lines do I need to draw right here to get me the number of boxes that are on the inside of this? You could even theoretically do that to a ridiculous degree. If you wanted to, let me put this over here actually. If you wanted to say, okay, well, I thought I selected that layer. Nope, I did not. Well, I know that there are 9,876 boxes inside of here, and I know that there are 3 of them on this way. Okay, so how many lines do I need to draw right here in order to get 9,876 boxes, rectangle, I guess, here, on the inside of here? Is it, I don't know, maybe this is 20. Is it 20? No, if you count up these boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? Like you would not get 9,876, so you'd have to go back and do it. And this is not to reteach you what the long division algorithm is. It is just to say that the reason that we write long division backwards is because we are just being lazy in drawing a rectangle. But since mathematicians are fundamentally lazy people, I say this is a thing that is good about them, right? They help us do less work, not as a put down. They don't even draw the entire rectangle. They just draw the first two parts. Thank you once again for doing the survey.